Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm glad you're here this morning on this Monday morning. It is the second day of October. It is cloudy out here this morning, when we looks like another very comfortable day, maybe some isolated showers, another breezy day. So far, the month of October has started off very comfortable. Everybody wants to know, will it last? We'll be on this video looking ahead to a warm-up later on this week. And the other issue is we're nervously watching the Western Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico this week. The models are suggesting possibly two tropical entities that may be something that we will have to track. Maybe involving Florida, maybe involving the Gulf of Mexico. We'll run it all down for you. The thing about it is the models don't have a handle on it yet because these systems have not yet developed. So let's break it down for you. Glad you're here on this Monday morning. Here we go. On the map this morning, you see a warm front to the south with tropical moisture advancing northward. We'll be brushed by that moisture today, but I think the bulk of it will stay in portions of southern Mississippi and Louisiana, as future radar indicates. And you'll see a few isolated showers in Alabama. So we're going to mention the possibility a cloudy day with isolated showers and a breezy day as well, with mostly cloudy skies and a 20% chance of a passing shower here and there. High temperature will barely reach 80. Tonight's low 65. East winds at 10 to 18 miles per hour and gusty during the day today. And I think the winds will still be a little gusty tomorrow. Not quite as gusty as today, but I think we start to see partly to mostly sunny skies and then lots of sunshine on Wednesday. Then we start to watch farther to the south, the bottom of the picture, as we get into some tropical development, perhaps near Florida. Sunshine and warmer for us. I think we're in the upper 80s on Thursday, and I think we are certainly in the upper 80s on Friday. But again, we're watching stuff coming out of the Caribbean, maybe one system affecting Florida by Friday and becoming stronger on Saturday. Meanwhile, watch the bottom of the picture as we look at another system that will be developing and coming out of the Caribbean as we get closer to Sunday. There's the second system as system number one moves away. So it could be an active tropical week ahead. I think we are dry over the weekend, but I think temperatures will be edging closer to 90 again. We're looking at the forecast here with 85 tomorrow and 85 on Wednesday and upper 80s on Thursday and Friday. And then Saturday looks like a dry day. We could be edging closer to that dreaded 90 degrees again by the time we get into Saturday. Area to watch out here in the Caribbean and into the southern Gulf of Mexico. That's the National Hurricane Center indicating that's going to be the breeding ground. And the European indicating the probability of a tropical storm development somewhere in the Yucatan or Cuba towards Florida. This is the probability of tropical storm development. And then moving northward, this is Sunday night. That's something that would definitely get our attention and something that we would need to watch. An entity of some sort, maybe a tropical depression or a tropical storm in the Gulf of Mexico. 79 or 80 today is going to be the most comfortable day. Then we start to edge up and get a little warmer. Upper 80s by Thursday and Friday, and perhaps near 90 by Saturday. In fact, if you look at the European numbers, it's got lower 90s over the upcoming weekend again, so we may not be done with that. But take a look at early next week. Following a tropical system and following a frontal system, maybe temperatures in the 70s. That would be nice. So obviously, we'll be watching the tropical situation very carefully as we go through the week ahead. We'd like actually some tropical moisture. If it's a weak system and it comes right up at us and gives us some moisture, that would be nice. We'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Your forecast whenever you want it, twice an hour, across the dial on 8 radio stations, and another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. Have a good day today. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.